Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to set up and optimize your home office. Step 1. Choose a dedicated workspace. The first step to setting up a home office is finding a dedicated workspace. This could be a spare room, a corner of a room, or even a closet that you can convert into a workspace. It's important to choose a space that is quiet, well lit, and free from distractions. You should also consider the size of the space and whether it is sufficient for your needs. Step 2. Invest in a comfortable chair. One of the most important investments you can make for your home office is a comfortable chair. You'll be spending long hours sitting in this chair, so it's important to choose one that supports your back and allows you to maintain good posture. Look for chairs with adjustable backrests, armrests, and lumbar support. Step 3. Set up a proper desk. A proper desk is another essential piece of furniture for your home office. Look for a desk that is the right size for your space and has enough surface area to accommodate your computer, monitor, and any other equipment you may need. It's also a good idea to choose a desk with ample storage space to keep your work area organized and clutter-free. Step 4. Organize your cables. One of the biggest challenges of setting up a home office is dealing with all of the cables. To keep your workspace looking neat and tidy, invest in cable ties, cord organizers, and other tools to help you manage your cables. Step 5. Get the right lighting. Proper lighting is essential for a home office. Consider the type of work you'll be doing and choose a lighting setup that is suitable. If you'll be working with small details or reading a lot, you'll want a brighter light. If you'll be working on a computer, you'll want a softer light to reduce eye strain. Step 6. Invest in a good quality printer. If you'll be printing documents on a regular basis, it's important to invest in a good quality printer. Look for a printer that is reliable, has a high page per minute output, and offers a range of connectivity options. Step 7. Set up a secure and reliable internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is essential for any home office. Make sure you have a reliable router and consider investing in a wired connection if you'll be doing a lot of online work. Step 8. Invest in a good quality headset. If you'll be making phone calls or video calls as part of your work, a good quality headset is a must-have. Look for a headset with a comfortable fit, good sound quality, and noise-canceling features. Step 9. Get organized. The key to a productive home office is organization. Invest in some storage solutions to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. This could include file organizers, storage bins, and desk organizers. Step 10. Personalize your space. Last but not least, make your home office a place you enjoy spending time in. Add some personal touches like plants, artwork, or a cozy throw to make it feel like your own. By following these steps, you can set up and optimize your home office to be a productive and comfortable workspace. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.